Garaide jaslema ikwenye nareta kangeni paran anwa krono elimitere ijaja toy ame jasi jaka lude yero sakrono ka PDM ya peslo ka gwelnara neo districta lobu kedia nyesida limebe eroka koko na ipolono ejai na di jaire medao na kikapun ko kiron loka ai medao na tipe.
The other thing we have also realized in this program is that you will find people who are coming from different parishes are benefiting from another parish. Yes. So it's a big problem. They are saying parish development models. It's only the people within that parish to benefit because they just think that we need tellers. Why would you bring someone from for example, Kukedia Ward, Alosai Medauni, Kampun? How? There is fraud down there. And the circle leaders are not doing us a very good job. In fact, they are the champions. KCJ is doing Sirigin circle leaders. According to my LPS, Engarakinos. And you at one level, I'm not singing with PJ. Me made a way they told. Of course, there are some costs to monitor to avoid a quota for copying on your knee, a quota ibenyo. But to go and say, before I put you as a beneficiary, 100,000, 50,000, 20,000, that's not nice.
Buda kiyata kai tachao ni waitino achua lodi tosoma titungalu kanuka demana retungai kapunu kech kota mapake na kai meda.
Tosoma ite baligane anyame aneja luche. So eloste kwa tosoma chuane baleveo alemu ni signal mobile money charging out sirigini masine. Alemu ni signal wendi agent charging out sirigini masine. Lumame bait ti. So ilipidi so ikosi tunga ICC ni charges le jasi o program la wendi to program la PDM. Kida signal le munri signal mobile money do jene tunga nan. Isinyi kwa ikiti so I community members mama chamun ai jana kine ngade no kisirigin lu mamiri amara kide lu ekote program.
Nyenyo ena kineti jaka luka PDM elimitai kotoma Akiro na kai jaja to.
Mamete program lo isirigin lu itolo set. And that one I will never get tired of talking. I want to say categorically from this meeting, it's there in my recommendations. I don't want the district to take it for granted that we have achieved results without operation funds. We must deliberately decide to put money to ensure that we run this program as expected. Very Birore PDM do balas the Jackie so as Kapuli Konetai is on my program. If I'm a Birore program, on my paper in the Jackie I running a program. So before we blame the sub-county chief, before we blame the parish chief, before we blame the commercial officer and every other person, have we done our part to ensure the program succeeds?
RID Kochanen, RDC, William Wilberforce Tuke, Yazede Kumar.
A year PDM, as of now, the commercial officer is battling. We have disbursed money, and we are very proud of the percentages. I mean, the position that we had at national level. We disburse, but the question is to who? As of now, I am told, parish chiefs don't know who they gave the money.
Ngede dules na edumu nese tacha ebe bukedi ya kwape districta nesida meda nutilemu keda biloni tomona kanyape. Ido etemona keri tomona kanyape kezide daunitos adumu ni kapunu kotomo projects lude gelegela kane ko districta. David Wright. Oppose TV East, Kabukedia District.